Good evening, everyone. Now I just want to show you the heritage gemstone. Have only one in the world. You see, I put this one is the light, and then when you come to see the gemstone, it is dark, right? Dark. Yeah. Even we put it in under the light also, it is dark. And then I want to show you the magic of the gemstone. You know, the gemstone can show you another kind of picture in the gemstone. So I just show you. You will see this, the head of the head of the human. Who can see? You will know. You see head. This one is the head of the gemstone. Yeah. You see the front, another face here. This side. This side is one face, and then another face is here. You see, you have to look it carefully to make it see the face. And then always change color. See, this one can like the person who's carry something on the mountain. You see, very clear, like the old woman carries back to the mountain. And then this one like another fish. Yeah, this one. You can see this one. And put another side to see. You see it like zombie. You see the face like zombie. You see, like zombie. Yeah, this is the heritage gemstone. You see, like zombie design. You see the face, and how the blood come out through the eyes. And then another side there are a couple pretty girl and handsome man. You see, design. You will see slowly. It is just magic. Not come and see clearly. But design until I use the flashlight, you can see clearly. So I just stop first, and then I will use the flashlight, and then the stone become red.